Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. If this is your first time watching, hi, my name is Leslie. I'm so glad to have you here. On my channel I talk about luxury, shopping, I film hauls, reviews, shopping vlogs and everything in between. So if that sounds like your thing, I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. And if you realize that you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. That would really help me out a lot. Anyway, today's video is going to be a quick one and I'm wearing the same thing that I did in my last video. I hope you don't mind. It's part 2 of my birthday haul. Definitely check out my last video where I unboxed a new handbag. But the second item that I got myself comes in a bit of a smaller bag, but still really exciting. Yes, it's an Hermès unboxing and I don't think I've shopped from Hermès in over a year, but yeah. Can you guess? Can you guess? Also by the fact that I'm not wearing earrings today yet, I treated myself to jewelry. These are the O Kelly earrings and I got the ones in rose gold, and the leather part right here, I'm going to show you how to put this together. The leather part is Rose Azalée. And yeah, the fun part about these earrings is that, yeah, as you can see, it's basically a DIY project. You have the actual earring part, which is kind of a hoop. Then you have this lock detail and a leather part, and the leather thing is a little bigger in proportion than the lock thing. So the idea is that you attach to this hoop thing first the metal lock thing and behind it the leather thing, so the leather is kind of peeking through. I'm gonna demonstrate that. But yeah, I really like this idea because you can basically decide how you want to wear the earrings. Obviously the full set with the lock and the leather part, but if you're I don't know, the leather that I chose doesn't really match my outfit, you can just go with this lock and just leave the leather thing at home, or obviously, I mean, you can even just wear the hoops. These little thicker but yeah, pretty tiny hoops, really beautiful. And let me quickly put this together. Struggling, but getting there. There we go. So I'm gonna insert close-ups because probably me showing it into the camera doesn't do it justice, but I really like the look of the combination of the rose gold and the Rose Azalée. There we go. Love this. They did have a couple of different colors. I think they also had, I want to say Nata or Cray, but a really white color. Definitely wasn't my first choice, especially, I mean, with me wearing makeup and stuff, I was too afraid that the makeup might rub off on the leather part, which would be a shame. And I think they also had, I think it was a taupe, which was the first time that I saw a taupe in real life, and I always thought it was more a grayish color, but it definitely looked kind of olive colored, at least in the boutique, which I wasn't that much of a fan of. And they also had gold, the regular brown caramel color that Hermès does. But I thought, I mean, a pop of color, especially with it becoming spring and summer and stuff, was definitely a better option. Plus, I mean, the gold and also the taupe kind of blended into my hair, and yeah, I thought a pop of color was definitely the way to go for this one. Really happy with these. And I finally got around to exchanging the cord on my Trinity bracelet, and it kind of is a match. Not really. The Trinity cord is a little darker, a true magenta color, really dark pink. This is yeah, most of you may know what Rose Azalée looks like. Anyway, super happy, and yeah, I guess that does it for today's video. A really quick one, but I wanted to show you the earrings before I wore them out for the first time. This is actually the first time me putting it together and putting them on my ears. But yeah, if you have any questions about the earrings, I mean, weight-wise, they're pretty lightweight actually, but I have an okay-ish weight tolerance when it comes to earrings, because I do enjoy a statement earring every now and again. Anyway, really happy with these. Price-wise, I think they were $4.50 in euros. If I'm wrong, I'm going to insert the correct price, but I think they were $4.50, which obviously for costume jewelry and a bit of leather is quite extortionate, but I mean, it's Hermès, what do you expect, right? Anyway, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any additional questions. I'm definitely gonna try to answer them in the comments below. Just pop your questions and I'm gonna get back to you. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you did and consider subscribing. And I guess I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.